Hi, welcome to my channel today. In this video, we're going to do a quick paper piecing from my Grinch page kit number ND3. If you haven't already picked up this kit and you'd like to check it out, please check the description below this video. It'll take you to my Etsy shop where you can see this kit as well as a lot of other fun projects that I do. So this is going to be a quick one. This is the little dog Max from the Grinch, and I'm using the Art Glitter Designer Dries Clear liquid glue with the metal tip. So the first thing you're going to want to do with Max is you're going to take the little white piece and we're going to flip, make sure you have him going the correct direction. It's going to look, let's see, he's going to be facing this way to the right. And then this piece is going to look just like this with that little edge on your right. What you're going to do is you're going to flip them both over. And before you add any glue, just kind of lay him down and see where he's going to go. You're going to see the angled sides go along side with his head there. So what you're going to do is keep that the direction you want, go around the eyes with the glue, and then I'm just going to do a little bit down here and over there. I'm not doing it on the white piece because I don't want glue to come through the holes for his eyes. Okay, so something like that. Now it doesn't have to be perfect, you just don't want the white to stick out the edges. You don't want to be able to see it. All you're going to see is coming through the front for his eyes, and there you go. And you don't have to worry about little teeny tiny pieces to glue on. You got that right there. So that's done. Now we're going to go ahead with his body, and he's going to go right up here. And you can see there's some connection points in this piece. And as I'm doing this right now, I see I missed one. So in your kit, most likely this piece will be connected. I missed that when I was doing that. I didn't realize there was an extra one, but that's okay. So let me go ahead and add some glue. He has a lot of little detailing on his face. I'm just going through quickly. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just want enough glue so it'll stick down. Okay. I'm going to start down here with his little feet. Work my way up, and you want it to have a nice black border around the edges. Kind of center it the best you can. Any kind of glue that is oozing out, I just take my pin from my glue and just kind of pull that out. Now it does dry clear, so you don't have to do this. I just like to. I think it takes away from any chunkiness that might show up. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put this little piece in. And then his antler. Maybe I'll do his ears next. You know, these are pretty thin. I'm just actually going to put the glue right on his ears. Just a little line of glue there. Tuck it under my nail and press it down. Okay, same thing over here. And now for the antlers. Okay, and we're done with the gluing. Now you're going to take your fine tip black pen or marker. I am using the Zig Memory Writer, and I'm going to use the fine tip end. Okay, so right along here, we're going to start with the antlers. There's a little connection point right there. We just want to very carefully, you want to curve it. You want to go with that curved line. And I just go over it a couple times. And then, okay, his eyes. So you can see up here, we're going to put the connection points with his eyelids. Again, you want to curve with the line. Make it look as natural as possible. And then we have the knee and the leg right there. Again, your kit may have a connection point right here above the knee or the leg. Like I said, I did not catch that one when I was creating this. Wait, is that it? I think that's it. Got the eyes, it got down there. Yeah. Oh, no, that's not it. We've got a big one right here. There we go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please click the like button and please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, click that bell for notifications. If you'd like to see more videos from me, I'd love to hear from you. Please comment below. Again, this is from my Grinch page kit number ND3. You can find that in my Etsy shop and the link is below. Thanks again and have a great day.